Okay, so let's continue our talk about slope in real world problems, and let's put together how to calculate slope from a graph, plus let's add the slope units in, right? So let's talk about this real quick. Let's put it all together. So the first thing, let's talk about just getting the slope. Well, remember, you're just doing your staircase. And again, we can see points, and I can see my stair looks about right there. And again, you can see it. There's a couple more places on your graph there you could see that, but again, and you should see up 3 spaces over 1 space. All right, but up 3 in this case, each space is 50 as you look at the y-axis there. So you have a 150 increasing on that side because the y-axis is increasing by 50. The x-axis, look at the x-axis, only going up by 1, so I went over 1 space, so my 1 space is actually 1 there when you look at the x-axis. So what's my slope? Rise over run, vertical over horizontal, y over x, 150 over 1. And 150 divided by 1 is just 150. Right? Okay, so let's continue. Right? So there's the slope. The slope is 150. Good enough. Let's talk about the units. Remember, we want to start with the units on the y-axis. They're liters. So let's put that in. We got liters on the y-axis. Good enough. What's the x? Remember, that's minutes. Okay. There we go. Units on the x-axis is minutes. So let's start putting this together. What are our slope units then? Remember, it's y per 1x. Well, the y is liters. Boom. And our x is minutes. So 1 of the minutes is minute, right? So it's liters per minute. Just drop the s, right? From plural to singular. That's all it is. And what's our final answer? Let's put it all together. What's the slope with the units in this problem? This particular, what it is, it's 150 liters per minute. Whatever's going on, it's increasing, and we're adding 150 liters every minute to whatever we're filling up right there. So that's the idea. That's what's going on in the graph. Notice we don't even need a title to see all these different things just from the x-axis and the y-axis. All right, so let's put this all together. Make sure we can get our slope and get our correct slope units, put it all together for our final answer. All right, let's go ahead, practice this, and see how easy this can be.